Satnam. So I know that it's this wonderful, whatever you're watching this, I'm doing it in December. And yes, I live in a wonderfully warm place and grateful for that. But wanted to get into that holiday fabulous space. And one of the things that the holidays gives us is a lot of activity. And one of the things that we need is the capacity to come back into ourselves. So what this one is about is we're going to talk about doing at least an 11-minute meditation every morning. Okay. 11 is that guru number, right? It's that, yes, you and the divine side by side. So it's a magical number. Guru really is the one that doesn't take you out of darkness into light. It shows you all darkness and all light. The wisdom of the divine in everything. And so I want to give you a couple of meditations. One for when you want to really calm down in the morning when you're going too fast and you know that you need to calm down so that you can connect into your day in a more smooth and soothing and connected mental and emotional state. Another one is when you need energy in the morning, okay? I'm going to really recommend that you do one of these for 40 days so that you can experience it, so you get to be friends with it, so you see what it does to you. 40, 90, 120 days consecutive, every single day, connected, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You miss 5, you go back to 1. It's like Chutes and Ladders, this game we used to play as kids, right? It's you just go back, no punishment. You just get to start again so that you can actually really connect all the beads in your prayer mala, a rosary, right? Whatever you want to call it. So this one is very navel, so that you get your navel connected to the infinite, right? As opposed to the fears of the world, but you also get it connected into the world from a very infinite space. We have 2 solar centers in our body, one at your navel and one at your crown. So this one, you're going to really pump the navel with each sound, okay? And your hands can just be relaxed in Gyan Mudra, which is the mudra of wisdom, on your lap. The mantra is Hara, 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 Waheguru, Satnam, Hara, Hari. Okay, Hara is where finite and infinite connect in the navel, right? Hara, Hare is at your heart and Hari is at your throat. Hara, Hare, Hari, Waheguru, Satnam. Truth is your identity, Satnam. Don't just say Satnam, that's lazy. Satnam has a totally different effect as your tongue rolls across your mouth and ends in your lips. Satnam, right? Waheguru, wow. This butterfly is just flying around all here, just giving us quite the loving show. Waheguru, Hara, Hari, okay? Hara, 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 navel pump. Hara, 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 put your hand over your navel. Hara, 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 Waheguru. You're going to find this goes up here. So, Hara, 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 Hara. I always think of like Waheguru, Satnam, Hara, Hari, back at your navel, right? Okay. So, hands back in Gyan Mudra now that you can feel your navel moving. You're going to look at your third eye and feel like you can just drop this beautiful prayer beads down into your navel, okay? Just see these fabulous alabaster pearls just dropping from your third eye into your navel, okay? And just Har, 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 Waheguru, Satnam, Har, Hari, 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 Har, 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 Waheguru 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 Satnam, Har, Hari. Take a deep breath in. Inhale more, 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 and just squeeze your body around this breath in gratitude that you know how to move this through you. And exhale, your hands over your heart, bow to yourself, your day, and all that will come into your magnetic field. And exhale. Okay. So that's one for energy. We only did it for a few minutes, but do it for 11 minutes. You'll find so much energy, so much clarity, and you'll just be grateful that you gave yourself that little extra fantastic connection. I love to sit in silence afterwards so that you can really go more deeply and allow yourself to just not be the doer, but be shown whatever it is that you get to pay attention to right now. Yes? Okay. The other one I want to share with you is, there's so many breath meditations and I love them. I love Sudarshan Chakra Kriya is one of my favorite. If you don't know what that is, most people hate it. I love it. I did hate it at first. I will tell you very truthfully, really hated it. But this one is, you're just going to put your hands across your chest, like cross your heart and hope to live, right? Tuck your hands underneath your armpits. And we're going to exhale in 26 parts because magically we are put together in 26. It's that sign of infinity. It's that 8. 2 and 6 is that 8, right? But, bones in our skull and face and bones in our hands and vertebrae in our spine and our feet. And we have so many 26 boners. That sounded terrible, but bones in our body. So you're going to just do that and you're going to exhale. What this does is it allows you to surrender, bring your head to your heart, connect your head and heart for the day, right? So you're going to take a beautiful deep breath in. I like Sitali breath because you get to actually breathe more deeply. So you can roll your tongue or just stick it behind your bottom teeth, breathe out the sides of your mouth. So and then just tiny little spurts, 26, and you can just count them at first, and then I'll give you a way to just, so if you do Satanama, 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 right, 6 times, and then you do Waheguru, okay, that'll take you to 26. So let's do it together a few times, and I'll count it out loud. Yes? Okay, so. Big inhale up, right? You're bowing in, so each little tiny breath exhaling, you bow a little more deeply, okay? Yes. So, beautiful inhale. Last time we'll do this, and then I'll do it out loud while you do it silently, right? you do it silently, and I'll say the mantra out loud. Sa, ta, na, ma. 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 Way. Good. And inhale up. Sa, ta, na, ma. 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 Way. Guru. Inhale back up. Last time I'm going to do it out loud. Sa, ta, na, ma. 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 Wait. Good. And inhale. And exhale. So I hope that you'll choose one of these and just make it yours. Do it every day. Do it for 11 minutes. Do it for 22 minutes. Stretch it. Commit to 40 days, 120 days, 1,000 days. And let it serve you. Let it serve you to bring you into calm, or to really give you that energy to project out into the world from a connected place, that your solar connection, your solar centers are connected to the infinite, not just to your push. Yes? Instead of being a pusher, be a provider, be a promoter, be a connector. Blessings.